Hi guys! So I recently visited Palampur and stayed at the RS Sarovar Portico. It's a lovely property and after a warm welcome I checked into my spacious room. They have a terrace cafe which offers amazing views of the mountains and some yummy food. I really enjoyed my food here. They have this revolving restaurant on the 7th floor which offers amazing views of the entire city. The food is so tasty and you can also visit the bar on the 6th floor. This place has great service and hospitality and great venues for destination weddings and events also. You can enjoy these games in their activity center. We were there for Valentine's Day and our anniversary, and when they got to know, they arranged this lovely surprise for us. They also arranged activities for us like visiting Enretta Pottery, tea gardens, trekking and also visiting Beer. Thank you so much RS Sarovar Portico for the memorable trip.
This is one of the must try things when in Himachal Pradesh. ये हिमाचल का first revolving restaurant है with 360 degree view. Yes, you heard that right. Here I am talking about restaurant Cloud 7 in Palampur. Recently I visited this place and what an experience. View की बात की जाए तो यहाँ से सारे पालमपुर का व्यू तो दिखता ही है और साथ में आता है majestic धौलाधार का व्यू. Amazing food at an amazing price. We were 7 people and it costed us around 2500, which I think is quite good. If you are visiting Palampur anytime soon तो add this unique restaurant in your travel list.
क्या बोल रहा है? वीडियो शूट करने का बट ड्रोन में से जाए कैसे चलेगा? मेरा बर्थडे हुआ और इस तरह हम चल पड़े मेरे 36 बर्थडे की ट्रिप के लिए हिमाचल प्रदेश के पालमपुर शहर में, क्योंकि अब मेरी सरप्राइज बर्थडे पार्टी की उम्र और उम्मीद दोनों ही खत्म हो चुकी है. सो वी डिसाइडेड टू एक्सप्लोर पालमपुर एंड आई चेक्ड इन एट होटल सरोवर पोर्टिको पालमपुर एंड होटल के वेलकम से ही लग रहा है कि ये ट्रिप तो अमेजिंग होने वाला है ना? वेल लेट मी शो यू माय रूम फर्स्ट. लुक एट दिस. आई मीन यहाँ तो बहुत बड़ी पार्टी हो सकती है. Comfort 10 on 10, vibe 10 on 10, and my excitement is 100 on 10. It looks like a painting. Well, after this, we started an early party with Sundowner at the Terrace Restaurant. Look at the view. I mean, वक्त जैसे थम गया हो और मैं इन वादियों में खो गई हूँ, है ना ड्रीमी? वाओ, इतना ड्रीमी कि हम भूल ही गए कि बर्थडे गर्ल का केक मिसिंग है. सो आई गॉट अ ब्राउनी विद अ स्ट्रेंजर गर्ल जिसका भी बर्थडे सेम ही डेट पे था. देन पालमपुर के रोड्स पे ड्रीमी और कैरियोके के बाद आई वेंट बैक टू माय कंफर्ट ऑफ हेवन. और यहाँ जो मुझे सरप्राइज मिला उसके लिए आपको मेरी नेक्स्ट वीडियो देखनी पड़ेगी.
Hi guys, what is this blue liquid that I am tasting? This is green tea. So I visited the Wah Tea Estate in Palampur recently and attended a tea tasting session. So I tasted at least 24 varieties of green tea here and also purchased some and brought some back home. This was my first time tasting green tea and it was such a wonderful experience. This tea factory tour was arranged for us by our hotel, which was the RS Sarovar Portico, Palampur. The experience included taking a walk in the tea gardens, tasting tea and enjoying some yummy food at their cafe. I highly recommend visiting this place when in Palampur.